Hello, I'm Louise, a speech and language therapist working with comtap.org. Comtap is a community interest company that aims to provide free resources to support children and young people with speech, language and communication needs. The resources are freely available to download on the website www.comtap.org. In this video, we will be introducing our new resource pack that can be used to support children to develop their speech and language skills. This resource pack focuses on an approach called barrier games. Barrier games are a specific way to carry out an activity. This activity can be used to support the understanding of language, using new vocabulary, and developing speech sounds. The pack starts with some information and questions. This covers how to use the pack and how to contact us if you have any queries or comments. The resource then has information on what a barrier game is and how you carry one out. Towards the back of the pack, there is a resources index with different activities that you can use when carrying out barrier games. Now we will demonstrate how to use a barrier game in different ways. To start your barrier game, you will need 2 copies of the same resources, one for each person, and you will need something to act as a barrier between you so you are unable to see each other's pictures. In this activity, we will be practicing speech sounds using a barrier game, and we are practicing the k sound. Okay, so we're going to play a game and we're going to take turns at this game, and we've got lots and lots of words that start with a k sound, and we've got my house with lots of different places in. So I will go first and then we will swap. I'm going to tell you to put the different items in different places in the house, and then we'll take the barrier away and see if our houses are the same. And then we put the barrier back and we swap around, and you then have the turn to tell me where to put all the items. Okay, so while we're doing this, we're going to be practicing using our k sound. Okay, are you ready? Okay. I would like you to put the cake in the bathroom. I would like you to put the key in the attic. I would like you to put the king in the bedroom. And I would like you to put the can in the lounge. Okay, are you happy with where you've put your pictures? Yes. Yeah, should we take the barrier away and have a look? Yeah, here we go. What did you think? Did we get them the same? Brilliant. So are you ready for your turn now?
Yes.
Okay, so you take all the pictures off, and what I'd really like you to try and do is remember to use your k sound when saying all of these words. Okay, I'm ready when you are.
Put the can in the lounge.
Yeah.
Put the key in the kitchen. Put the cake in the bedroom. And put the king in the attic.
Okay, should we have a look and see, did I do really good listening that time? What do you think?
Yes.
Yeah, and do you know what? I heard you use brilliant k sounds in those sentences. Well done. This barrier game shows how you can use different concepts and words to increase sentence sizes. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to play a game where we've both got the same set of pictures, and I'm going to give you some instructions. So you have to listen to what I say, find the picture that matches my instructions and put it in the place where I've said. And then once I've had my go, we'll lift the barrier up and we'll check to see if they're the same. Okay, so what we are working on today is colours. So we've got green and yellow, and we're working on size, and we've got big and little. So in your sentence, I'd like to see if you can remember to use their colour and the size as well as the item. Okay, are you ready to have a go? And then after I've had a go, we'll swap over and you can have a try with me. Okay, so put the big yellow hat in the bathroom. Put the small green hat in the attic. Put the big yellow socks in the bedroom. Put the green socks in the kitchen. Is something wrong? What have you noticed?
There are 2 green socks.
Ah, what bit of information do you need?
Size?
The size. Shall I tell you that one again? Put the little green socks in the kitchen. Okay, are you ready? Should we have a look and see? What do you think? Are they the same?
Yes.
They are. And there's something you did that was really good there. When you weren't sure, you worked out what bit of information you needed to know, and you could ask me for that, which was really, really good. So should we have a go now with you trying? Okay, so if you take all your pictures off your house, and I'm going to do some listening, and you're going to do some sentences to tell me where to put everything. Okay. Are you ready? Okay.
Put the yellow socks in the lounge.
Oh, I think I need a little bit more information. You've told me yellow socks, and I have got 2 different pairs of yellow socks.
Put the large yellow socks in the lounge.
The large yellow socks in the lounge. Brilliant.
Put the large yellow hat in the attic.
Okay.
Put the small yellow socks in the attic. Put the large green socks in the bedroom. Put the small green socks in the kitchen. Put the small green hat in the attic. Put the small yellow hat in the bathroom. Put the big green hat in the attic.
Wow, your sentences were amazing. Should we check and see? Can we see if I've done really good listening? Did I remember everything you told me to do? What do you think?
Yes.
Yeah, they're both the same. Well done. Really good. This barrier game focuses on learning new vocabulary that your child may be finding hard, either because they find it difficult to find the words or they're unsure of what the words are. This provides an opportunity to keep repeating the words and using them in instructions. Okay, so I have got some words here, and we've both got a house picture. And we're going to hide my animals in different places in the house. Now, I know some of these animals were tricky words for you to remember what all the names were. So before we start, let's just run through and check we know what they all are. So what do you think this one is called?
Donkey.
A donkey. Brilliant. And how about this one?
Hamster.
Oh, you're close. It's a bit like a hamster, but a bit bigger.
Guinea
A
pig.
guinea pig. Brilliant thinking. Well done. What about this one?
Parrot.
Bit like a parrot, but a bit smaller. It's begins with a B.
Bird.
Budger.
Budgie.
Budgie, yeah, a budgie or a budgerigar. And this one is a
Goat.
goat. Brilliant. So first of all, I'm going to give you some instructions of where to hide the animals, and then we'll swap and you can give me some instructions. Does that sound okay? Okay. So I'd like you to put the goat in the bathroom. And I'd like you to put the donkey in the attic. And I'd like you to put the budgie in the lounge. And I'd like you to put the guinea pig in the attic. Okay. Should we check and see? What do you think?
They're the same.
They are the same. Brilliant. Okay, so now it's your turn. Okay.
Put the budgie in the bedroom.
The budgie in the bedroom. Okay.
Donkey in the lounge. Goat in the attic. Guinea pig in the kitchen.
I love that you remembered all the names. That was brilliant. Should we check and see? Are they the same? Oh, they were the same. There we go. Brilliant. Well done. So you had the donkey. Can you remember where did the donkey go?
Lounge.
In the lounge, yeah. The budgerigar in the bedroom.
Kitchen.
Guinea pig in the kitchen, and the goat in the attic. Amazing. Well done. We have now come to the end of the resource pack and hope that this demonstration video has provided some helpful advice and guidance. Please refer to the ComTap website for further resources and information.